In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set a timer on the new iPhone 16 Pro. As you can see, this is the iPhone 16 right here, and all you need to do to set a timer is you first obviously need to set it up, but once it's set up, actually how you set a timer is you just want to actually access the camera app like so. Just open up the camera app, swipe up like this, swipe up on the phone, and we've got a ton of new features on the camera app, which is really cool to me, but you just want to actually click on this thing. It looks like a timer right here. Scroll to the side, I'll zoom in on it, click on the timer right there, and when you click on it, you can actually see we have 3, 5, or 10 seconds. 5 seconds is a new one, before it was only 3 and 10. You click on 10 seconds, and click on start, or you can actually see the timer is up here. It says timer 10 seconds, and if we click on it, it will give a countdown along with the flashes on this side of the phone, because that's where the camera is taking it. And once it actually gets to 0, it will actually just flash like a ton of times, and actually just take the photo, and as you can see, to get out of this, our photo is right here. And yeah, that's how you take photos with a timer on the iPhone 16.